looking for profitable businesses, you can start this 2026. There's a whole lot of them, So people have been asking a series of questions, the best profitable business one can start. So if you are looking for profitable business, there are a whole lot of them. You can venture into health business, you can venture into palm oil business, can venture into selling of different things, that food stuff business. So in this video, I'll be telling us the profitable business that is very good, it's highly lucrative and it's high in demand. Crayfish business. This thing is very good. You buy in bag, in wholesale, and you can now sell it to people, sell it to your customers, sell it to your group members. So this business is highly lucrative. You can buy a bag, or if people are 10 in numbers, you can contribute and buy one bag and share it. You know that you have the good quantity, you have a very good quantity of crayfish if you buy in bags and share, rather than buying little by little from the retailers in the market. So it is very good. In case you are interested, you can join. Click on the WhatsApp link on the description of this video or comment section of this video and join, because we are trying to see how we can be buying crayfish on bags, because I have the contacts of the person that can be supplying crayfish on bags anywhere you are. If you are in Abuja, it's more easier. But if you are in other things, you can also join. So when it gets to Abuja, then you cannot pay for the well bill and it will be transported to you wherever you are. It is a high demand. So in case you are interested, you can click on the WhatsApp link and join, so that you sell in bags. In case you want to resell, or you want to be selling wholesale, you buy in bags and resell it wholesale prices. So it's also encouraging. So this year should be a year of strategizing different things you can do to be generating income on monthly basis, on daily basis, on quarterly basis, depending on how. So don't focus only on one streams of income. Try as much as you can to look for different businesses you can do, different businesses that is in high demand. Then you can start with any group you see that is maybe talking about reliable group, not any group, any reliable group that you can join and make things happen for yourself. Please join, because this is the time not to depend on only one streams of income. Even if you're working, even if you're doing anything, try as much as you can to find a way of joining things, different groups whereby you can learn things. You can do one business or the other, you can learn one skill or the other. So if you are interested in this crayfish business, please, you can click on the WhatsApp link and join, because we want to start discussing on how we can be contributing and be buying all these things, both crayfish, palm oil, hairs, anything that is so that it will be cheaper. It will be cheaper for everyone. You can resell it. You can do any other thing. You can maybe for your group members, for meetings, for retailers that sell in the market, or maybe you want to be buying it and resell on wholesale prices. So please, you can also join the group. So these businesses is very good. They are highly lucrative because it's a consumable thing. People cannot do without crayfish. There is no food you cook now without adding crayfish in it, because it gives taste. That's why it is high demand. It is high in demand. People want to buy it. Go to market now, you buy crayfish of 200 naira, how small it is. So it's better you buy it in larger quantity and store it in your house than be taking it gradually. It is better like that than buying it in smaller quantity. So if you are also a retailer, you resell to retailers, you can also join, so that when you buy in bags, you can resell it. Business is very good. That's why a lot of people that are into business are making it big time, because you get money on daily basis, you get money on weekly basis. So there is no day you cannot stay without money, without getting inflow. So that is the essence of doing that is in terms of engaging in businesses. If you are a salary earner, you have to wait till end of the month before you receive salary. But if you are a business person, you see yourself getting inflow on daily basis. Money will be drawn into your account left and right. You'll be getting cash. So that's why a lot of people that are into businesses, they don't lack. They see them doing a lot of projects, engaging in a lot of projects, engaging in a lot of things. They are making it big time. So try as much as you can to join or start one business or the other. So if you are interested in this crayfish business, only serious members, only serious people we need, you can join the WhatsApp group. Let's discuss on how we can be getting this crayfish in bulk, wholesales. Let's discuss on how we can be getting it so that those that want to resell can resell, those that want to keep it to share it among their group members, they can do that. Your palm oil business is very, very good. It's highly lucrative. It is high in demand. So there is nothing you cannot do without palm oil. You can use palm oil to cook different things, different soup, different porridge, different things. So that's why palm oil is highly in demand. A lot of people that are into this palm oil businesses they are selling. So if you are interested in this business, this palm oil business, there is a WhatsApp link on the description of this video and the comment section of the video. You can click and join, because if you are interested, this palm oil is local palm oil from the east. They have good palm oil, in case you are interested, so that we know how we can be sending it from the east to wherever you are, or from wherever you are staying. If you are staying in the north, in Lagos, or so that we know how we can start doing that business, that palm oil business. I know someone who stays in Canada. She's very, very good in storing palm oil. See her selling to different people, importing it, exporting it to different countries. She is making good money in palm oil. She stores it and she sells she stores it when it's cheaper and sell it when it's costlier, when it's high in demand towards that September, October, November, December. Because a lot of people like to travel with palm oil. Those people that are traveling for Christmas and those people that are traveling from Christmas back to their bases, they always travel with palm oil. So this business is highly lucrative. In case you are interested, this is sell in gallons. It's in gallons. So you can join the WhatsApp group. Let's see how we can be buying it and be selling. So in case you are interested, I have also someone that sells this palm oil from the east, so that we know how we can come together and buy and resell. Some people sell to different people, to different offices, so whereby a lot of working class individuals will contribute money. They will buy this oil and divide it among themselves that contributed that money. So in case you are interested, you can join the WhatsApp group. Let's see how we can be buying it. It's a wholesale, buy in rubbers, in gallons, in wholesale prices. So you buy it, then if you are interested, when you buy, then you can now share it to whoever you want to share. Or if you are selling, if you are the type that sells, you can be selling, you buy in gallons and resell in retail prices. So palm oil is very, very lucrative, because people use palm oil for a lot of things. There's no soup you cannot cook without palm oil. Even if there are some soup you can cook without, they are very rare. And a whole lot of things. You can use palm oil to cook stew, you can use palm oil to cook a lot of things. So that's why it is high in demand. It is very, very high in demand, and people are looking for it. It's highly lucrative. Or any food items you are selling, it's highly, highly lucrative. Even when the economy is not favoring people must buy these things. Even when the economy is getting worse, people must buy it. So that's why when you are selling food stuff, it's highly, highly lucrative. So if you are interested in this business, in palm oil business, so you can join this WhatsApp group. Let's discuss on how we can be buying it in bulk. Then if you are the type that sell, you can have time to sell it to your customers. If you are the type that share it among your colleagues, you can now buy. People can contribute money and buy it and resell. So it is highly lucrative. So these are businesses that when you venture into, it's highly lucrative and it's profitable too. Highly lucrative and profitable. Not only lucrative, it is also high in demand. So if you buy it now, before you know, you tell people that you are selling palm oil, you see people coming to you to buy this palm oil. So it is very good. This is business. This year should be a year of business galore. Different businesses that that can help people to survive, that can help people to make money, can help people to solve their financial needs. So it is something that we have to gather together and make it happen. So in case you are interested in joining, please click on the WhatsApp link, business WhatsApp link, and join. So let's discuss on how we can be doing these businesses, different, both from importing hairs, from a lot of things. So if you are interested, you can join the WhatsApp link. Click on the WhatsApp link and join. So let's discuss on how we can be doing these businesses. This year should be a year of different businesses can make money. Secondly, it is very good thing to look for other streams of income. If you are working class individual, don't rely only on your salary. Be strategize. Look for other things you can be doing so that more income should be coming your way. So that don't depend on only one streams of income. Strategize and look for other means. So if you are already working, you can also be doing this business of palm oil, or you can buy it and leave it. You can buy and store. When it's scarce, you can resell. There are people that are doing that businesses like that. They are working. This is also what they are doing. So if you are interested, you can also join. Or if you want to buy for your group members, maybe you are doing contribution, you can also buy and you can share it. So it is very good and highly lucrative. It is high in demand. If you are interested, please join the group. Let's discuss on how we can start doing the businesses. Give it a trial. I believe you'll be glad you did. My name is Ngozi, your financial advisor, product manager, and a chartered risk manager. See you and God bless you. Bye.